Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Triumph Tiger XC. This adventure sport triple cylinder 800 just arrived with only 10,262 miles on the odometer. Beautiful condition, fuel injected. This has got that triple engine that's so torquey and so smooth. You're gonna love it. This bike also comes with Triumph aluminum side cases and top case, all one keyed system, ABS brakes, WP rear shock, WP front suspension, hand guards. This bike is loaded. Price to sell it just $89.99. Come on by and get this nice low mileage 16 Tiger XC. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.